Good evening. In this video, I'm going to talk and walk through the final semester project that me and my teammate did for ITC 510, Software and Data Modeling. We worked on and used a Cars Dataset in different states of USA. This analysis is to help many dealers and customers in choosing best car. Our analysis mainly deals with the prices of used cars, and we did a EDA to determine few interesting trends and reports with our dataset. So firstly, we imported the libraries such as Pandas, Seaborn, Matplot, and NumPy. With the help of Pandas, we imported the car prices dataset and it's stored into data one, and we printed the data one. So this is the first dataset, and with the help of the Pandas, we imported the second dataset with the name of cars dataset.csv. So this is the second dataset, and so this is the data1.info. These are the column names of the first dataset: year, make, model, trim, body, and so on. And this is the dataset of column names of second dataset, such as price, brand, model, year, and so on. So first thing what we did is, so here in the first dataset there is a make. In the second dataset there is a column name of brand. So the values of these column names have the similar values. So what we did is we just rename the make value into brand. Similarly, selling price into price and odometer into mileage. So after completing this renamed values of the columns, so we again printed the data one. So this is the data set after changing the values. So then we deleted the unwanted columns such as trim, transmission, win in and MMR in the first data set, which we are not using for the analysis. So in dataset 1, the values of the state column are written as CA. For example, California, it is written as CA. Indiana, it is written as IN. But in the second dataset, the state names are written as California is written as in the full form of the California. Indiana is written as in Indiana. So to match these two state values, so what we did is we used an map from the internet. So in this map, we can see that Alabama is mapping to AL, Alaska is mapping to AK, Arizona is mapping to AZ, and so on. So with the help of this map, so we created a loop for the state column in the dataset one. So then we changed the values of the state values. So it's became into wherever there is a CA, it is renamed to California. So wherever there is AZ, it is renamed to Arizona. So wherever there is a CO, it is renamed to Colorado, and so on. So after changing the state values, we deleted both column values from the both datasets, such as in dataset 1, price, state, color, body. So we deleted, and then dataset 2, year, condition, and mileage. So these columns have been deleted from the both datasets. So the how we merged of two datasets will be explained by my teammate.
So basically we here performed a merge method according to the brand name and the model by performing an inner function. So you can just see we have year, brand, model, condition for every car and every brand that we are displaying the data over here in every state of United States. Then we just performed a method for displaying the entire data. So you can just scroll it down, please. By performing the info method, we just displayed the data over here, and after that we just display the data of every column with the name, brand, model, and so on. At last we just tried to remove the duplicate values by performing the drop method of the entire data frame, and this is how we just performed our project regarding the dataset for the cars. Thank you.
Thank you.